Welcome to the Advanced English Mastery Home Study course. Are you ready to take your English language skills to the next level? You've come to the right place. This comprehensive 6 weeks course is designed for ambitious learners like you who want to excel in both academic and professional settings. Each week we'll focus on different aspects of advanced English. Here's a quick overview of what you'll be learning. Week 1 kicks off with advanced vocabulary and idioms. You'll expand your vocabulary and learn to use idioms effectively. In Week 2, we dive into complex grammar and syntax, mastering advanced sentence structures and ensuring grammatical accuracy. Week 3 is all about advanced writing techniques. You'll develop your persuasive and argumentative writing skills, crafting compelling essays and presentations. Then in Week 4, we'll enhance your reading comprehension, focusing on analyzing and interpreting complex texts. Week 5 builds your speaking and listening skills with lessons on effective public speaking and active listening. Finally, in Week 6, we bring it all together with integration and application. You'll apply everything you've learned in comprehensive writing and editing tasks. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and proficiency to navigate complex texts and conversations, present compelling arguments, and excel in professional and academic writing. Ready to embark on this journey? Enroll today. Unlock your full potential with the Advanced English Mastery Home Study course. Let's get started. Experience the difference with Advanced English Mastery Home Study course, where your success is our mission.